This is the GFCI outlet wired correctly. You can see the green light is on here. I've got the line to the line and there is no load. And of course, when I push this in, you can see the two yellow and it will reset. I haven't screwed it in. So that's done. Now I'm going to wire it so that the power goes into the load just to see what happens. And now I've wired it so that the power goes to the load side. And when I press the reset on this tester, let's see what happens. The reset doesn't reset. Aha! It doesn't reset. So that's the difference. And let me hit test here. Yeah, it doesn't reset. So that's the difference when you wire a GFC incorrectly. And here it is again. The GFCI is wired correctly. Green light is on. I can hit reset. And now I will just push it in and it comes back on. Again, reset or test and reset. So that's the difference. Okay, so I wired up a three-way switch and this is one way. The light is on right now. I turn this switch off, light goes off. Turn this switch, light goes on, off, and on. Okay, so I understand that way.